Hey, I included this video, part 2 of Quadratic Formula, because I realized that the first video did not have any with imaginary solutions. So this one will. Let's explore what that means. So first we want to get everything on the left-hand side. I'm going to add x to both sides and add 19. So our a is 1, our b is 1, and our c is 19. So when we plug that into our quadratic formula, we'll have the opposite of b, plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times a, which is 1. Alright, we'll have negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1, and then it will be a minus here. And then 4 times 19, let's do that real quick. 9 times 4 is 36. 4 times 4 is 76. Alright, 1 minus 76 over 2. That's going to be negative 1 plus or minus the square root of negative 75 all over 2. So since our discriminant here, our value under the square root is negative, that means we're going to have two imaginary solutions, and we know that already. We've dealt with negative numbers under the square root. So let's break this apart here. Negative 1 plus or minus, and I'm going to break down the square root of 75. I know there's going to be an I. So the square root of 75 is the square root of 25 times the square root of 3. We'll divide it by that 2. And so we're going to have negative 1 plus or minus 5i square root 3 over 2. This is actually our final answer. It has an I in the final answer. There are two solutions. That's what the plus or minus signifies. And so now you got to see an example where we have imaginary solutions.